An unmetered electricity connection can usually be given where a meter is not practical or the metering costs would be significantly higher than the cost of the electricity used by the equipment installed. This video will help you understand what you need to do to apply for an unmetered connection. Types of equipment that will typically require an unmetered connection include streetlights, traffic signals, illuminated road signs and bus shelters, and all unmetered connections must meet some strict criteria. The electrical load must be predictable, rated below 500 watts, it's not practical to install a meter, you must provide and maintain a detailed inventory of your connections. You can apply online for an unmetered connection via our website or by completing an offline application and returning it to us by email or post. If you are a local authority, council, or a private finance initiative, you can build your own quote and pay for it online using our public lighting application. Once we've reviewed your application and are happy that it meets our minimum requirements, we'll process your application and pass it on to a connections designer. They will then provide you with a connection offer within 25 working days, and once you receive your connection offer, it's valid for 90 days from the date it was issued. However, these guaranteed standards don't apply to schemes involving more than 100 units of street lighting, any street furniture or scheme that requires high voltage or extra high voltage works. Once you've received your offer, if you'd like to go ahead, just sign the attached acceptance form and return it to us with the payment. We're not the only company that can provide you with an unmetered connection. For a list of accredited independent connection providers, also known as ICPs, see the Lloyd's Register website. You can also find details of ICPs who operate in our region on our website. If an alternative provider carries out your work, the unmetered equipment will be adopted into our network, provided that it meets all our specifications. All new street furniture equipment, like signs or traffic lights, that's connected to our network must comply with the relevant electricity industry standards and specifications. And all unmetered connections require an approved charge code and switch regime for the equipment that's being installed. Elexon is responsible for ensuring unmetered processes are carried out effectively. They also issue charge codes and switch regimes to customers that have an unmetered supply inventory. If you are applying for an unmetered connection, please ensure you've obtained the relevant Elexon charge code. For more information, you can read our guidance on managing unmetered supplies that's on our website. All new unmetered connection will be assigned a Meter Point Administration Number, or MPAN. The MPAN will be issued by us, Northern Power Grid, on receipt of the completed unmetered connection agreement. Once the MPAN has been issued, it's the responsibility of the customer named on the certificate to register each MPAN supplied with the energy supplier of their choice. When the registration notification has been received for the appointed energy supplier, we'll notify all parties that the connection can be carried out. This is so that the energy supplier can de-energize the site before we complete any physical work. Next, we'll agree a date to complete the work. Once we've completed our work, we'll ask the appointed energy supplier to then energize each MPAN and start billing for the energy consumption calculated, based on the inventory the customer declared to us. The named customer of an unmetered supply is responsible for all the maintenance and provision of accurate inventory records. If you're still unsure about how to go about securing an unmetered connection, visit our website or call our connections team on 0800 011 3433. We're available Monday to Friday from 8 AM to 8 PM and Saturday from 9 AM till 5 PM.